Meet Bablu. He has just arrived at his grandparents' house for a 10-day holiday. The house is filled with family his grandparents, his uncle Mahesh, his aunt Gauri, and his cousins Ashok and Shruti. Everyone is so happy to see him. The next morning, Grandma Ansuya feeds Bablu a delicious breakfast. In 10 days, you'll be starting school, Bablu. Your mom will pack your lunchbox, and you'll have to eat all by yourself, says Grandpa Ramaravu. I already know how to do that, Bablu replies with a big smile. Soon, the house grows quiet. The cousins leave for school. Bablu lies down on a wooden bench in the garden, watching the leaves and dreaming of adventures. While following Grandpa up the stairs that evening, a ball slips from Grandpa's hand. Bablu runs down to find it. Right there, tucked away under the staircase, he sees a mysterious door with a heavy metal lock. Grandpa, what is in this room? Bablu asks. Why do you care about that? Don't go over there, Grandpa warns him. But the more they tell him to stay away, the more Bablu wants to know the secret. Bablu tries everything. He even tries to use Grandma's keys when she is sleeping, but the lock won't budge. Then, he sees a painter's ladder. He climbs up high to peek through a window. Inside, the room looks empty and dark. What could be hidden in there? Bablu thought and dreamed like he was the Ali Baba, and he chanted Juri Juri Kola. Then the big doors opened, and inside the room, there was gold and many toys. The next day, he sees Grandma heading toward the secret room with her keys. Like a little cat, Bablu sneaks behind her. As the door creaks open, he peeks inside. He sees old photos of gods on the walls and many large mysterious ceramic jars called jadis. Grandma leaves for a moment to go back to the kitchen. Bablu rushes inside. He smells something wonderful and familiar. He reaches his hand into a big jar. It feels soft and wet. When he pulls his hand out, it is bright red. He licks his finger. Ah, it burns. It's spicy. His mouth is on fire. Grandma runs to him and washes his hands with soap. This is the pickle room, Bablu. We keep the avkaya and magaya pickles here so they stay dry and fresh all year long, she explains. She laughs and applies a cooling cream. Oh, so that's the secret, Bablu thinks. The next day at dinner, Bablu tells the whole family about his big adventure. Everyone has a great laugh. Well, you found the secret, says Grandma. From now on, we shall call you Detective Bablu.